So we will discuss about the equations, the linear pair of linear equations in two variables in which the equations are reduced to a pair of linear equations and word problems. So sometimes the pair of linear equations are not a linear equations; it's given in fraction forms. So then the conditions involved that three conditions involved that if the fractions is 1 by x and 1 by y is in form of the questions, and suppose that 1 by x. So first rules is here. So we will reduce these equations and 1 by x and 1 by y. So 1 by x is let's say p and so is called to p, and 1 by y, so y is so let's we have to calculate it is called to q. So 1 by x and 1 by y, so then after the calculations we will find find the solution, and after substituting find the x and the y values. And the second condition, if the second condition is here involved that if the value of the given say pair of linear equations and actually not a pair of linear equations is in a form of 1 by x plus or minus a plus r, so 1 by x plus r minus b. Okay, y r y plus or minus b. So it we have also convert these fractions into pair of linear equations and find the value of the x or y, and substitute this value x and y any of one of them in say above equations and find out the another value of x and y. Okay, and if the third condition is given, yes, if the value of x and y is in form of 1 by x plus y, and the second is in a form of x 1 by first value is x plus y, and the second value is 1 by x minus y. Then we have to convert also these equations in form of some linear pair of linear equations and solve it. Find the value of any one variables and substitute this value of some any one variables in above equations. Find the x and the y values. Likewise this. Okay, so pair of linear equations is given here. So topic is here. First of all, so we will try to understand the topics, and then after we will try to solve the pair of linear equations. First of all, here so we will write here equations reducible to a pair of equations reducible to a pair of linear equations reducible to a pair of linear equations and words problem. Okay, here is the topic. Now three conditions involved. If the equation sometimes equations of pair of linear equations is not a linear equations, as arise three conditions. How many conditions? Three conditions. Okay, first conditions, let's say start here. First conditions is given if given equations are 1 by x and 1 by y, then what we will do here, then put the value of 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Then find the convert it into pair of linear equations. Find the value of x and y by solving and substituting the above value. Okay. Third conditions, second conditions. If the value, if the pair of linear equations, if the pair of linear equations are 1 by, second conditions, x plus r minus a and 1 by x plus r minus b, then solve and form pair of linear equations and find value of x and y by solving and substituting. Third conditions, if the given equations are 1 by x plus 1 by x plus y and 1 by x plus x minus y, 1 by x plus y and 1 by x minus y, then we convert it into linear equations and find value of x and y by solving and substituting the value. Okay, these are the three conditions. In three conditions, first let's have an example. With the help of example we will try to solve the equations. Suppose that this is the example is given here. Three conditions is given in the solve the following pair of linear equations and verify the value of it. Okay, solution. Equations is given here. Suppose that equations is given here. Let's say camera is rolling here. Rolled in these points. Equations given 2 by x 3 by y plus 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, and furthermore 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. And it's 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. It's a given questions. Okay, now we will try to solve here. How we will try to solve here? So let's say equations we have 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so first of all we will convert these equations in pair of linear equations. So here is, let's say 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. What is, so 2 by x is converted into 2 by x is equal to 2 p plus 3 q is equal to 13 and 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. Here convert both equations we have converted here. 2p 5q, 2p 5q is equal to 13. Now solve this by equations. So which is the pair of linear equation? Now multiply equation multiply equations 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by 5 and equations 2 by 2. We get here 5 to the 10p plus 15q is equal to 65, and 2 5s are 10, p minus 8, q is equal to minus 4. This is third and this is fourth equations. Okay, now subtract these equations here, minus plus minus plus. Okay, so cancel out, and here becomes 23q is equal to 69. Okay, then q is equal to 69 by 23 is equal to 2. Got it? So q value we have find here the value of q. I hope that a value of q we have find here. Now what we will do here, we will substitute this value, substitute the value of q in equations. Suppose the equations 1. Okay, so 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. So q value is 2. So 2p plus 3 into 2 is equal to 13. 2p is equal to 13 minus 6. So p is equal to 7. 6. 3 2 just 6. Q is here 2 3 just 6, and 13 minus 13 is 7. So it became minus, and here is the minus 13, but 13 is given here. So 7 by 2. Got it? So we have find out 7 by 2. So by substituting the value of p, we have got here or any other equations. If we substitute this value and the q, so we have find here, so q value is 3. Okay, so p value 2, q value is 3, and now further, so what we will do here, suppose that here is the q value, sorry, 8. So suppose here is 8 to 4 z 4 value, so 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So p is equal to q. Now what we will do here, here is the equations, according to equations, substitute value in value 2 by x is equal to 2 by x, and is equal to p. So p value is always be here 4. So 4. So value of p and q can be find out 4 into 2. Okay, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, and here is 3 by 2 is equal to value, so we have find here. Okay, so values x and y's we have find here. 1 by x is equal to 1 by y, so 2 is equal to 1 by x, and verifications can be done so by means of the x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So value of 2 by x is equal to p, and p is value is here 4 by 1. So 4 p 4 x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2, and here is the value of p, 3 by y is equal to q, 13 q means 13. So substitute value of this, so 13 y is equal to 1 to 3 into 13, then y is equal to 3 into 1. Okay, so with the help of that, so we will solve here, 2y is 13 and 3 by 13. So here is 3 by 13, so y value is 3 by 13, and if we verify, substitute this value in equations, 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. Here is we have got here, sir, 2 by x value 2 by x value is here 2 by x value. We have find here some value of x. So value of x is 1 by 2. So 2 by 1, 1 by 2 divided by, so 2 by 1, 2 2 is 4, plus 3 by y, y value is 3 by 13. 39 by 3. Okay, 39 by 3. So 13 or 4. So here is 13. So 13 is equal to 13. It's a verified. Verifications have done. So these are the verifications with the help of that. So we can solve and also take the result easily. Okay, thank you very much for coming on the channel. Once again, I'm giving a warm welcome to all of you. That's you have given me such a love and affections to my channels and to me also. And I hope and I pray to God to for your futures and futures and futures and career also. And so I hope that you will certainly understood. You are certainly understanding. So whatever I'm teaching you with the help of these YouTube mediums. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, bye bye. Take care of yourselves and have a nice day.